ஆழ்வார் எம்பெருமானார் ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம். ஸ்ரீசைலே சதயாபாத்திரம் தீபக்தியாதிகுணார்ணவம் யதீந்திர பிரவணம் வந்தே ரம்யஜா மாதரம் முனிம் யித்யாதி பிரணதோஸ்மி நித்யம். வாரமுனி தயாபாத்திரம் கோமட குல உதிதம் ஸ்ரீனிவாச ஆர்யம் வந்தே அஸ்மத் குலதேசிகம். शुभम. वसंत नवरात्रि श्री रामायणम lecture series, lecture 4 on the auspicious Mahanavami day on the Avatara Sudhinam of Chakravarti Tirumagan. As we enjoy this text Sri Ramayanam as an aid memoir for life, coinciding with the birthday celebration of Chakravarti Tirumagan, we will endeavor to rejoice some life lessons from not only Sri Ramachandra Prabhu but also his Nitya Anapayini Sri Mahalakshmi Sitamma Talli. We will endeavor to grasp certain high moral values depicted by Adipurushan Sri Ramachandran, Adinayaki, Sita Pirati, and one of his esteemed Bhagavata Vibhishana Alvan. As a mark of celebration of Sri Ramanavami, coordinated by Sri Dallas Sri Vaishnava group, it is a fitting tribute to Sri Ramachandran to rejoice on this day how his life, certain acts in life, how one or more acts exhibited by Sita, and similarly by his Suhrit Evam Bhakta Vibhishana Alvan can teach us. As we have alluded to in previous lectures, Sri Ramayanam is a narration of great virtues. And this is signified in the Dhyana Sloka, which is generally recited by one and all to show the importance of listening and propagation of good values and virtues, which this Dhyana Sloka shows that Rama himself listened to from one of the greatest listener, Siriya Tiruvadi Hanuman. Vaidehi sahitam suradhruma talehe haimehe mahamandape madhye pushpaka mahasane manimaye virasane sustitam agre vachayati prabhanjana sute tattvam munibhyah param vyakyantam भरदादिभिः परिवृतं रामं भजे श्यामलं. While this Dhyana Sloka is an eulogy, it also reveals an important life lesson. While we all know that this is one of the greatest Dhyana Sloka and in fact mandatory Dhyana Sloka during Sri Ramayana Patanam Evam Upanyasam, this Dhyana Sloka, while depicting the scenery in which Sri Ramachandra is seated in his Asthanam in Pushpaka Vimane, that Vimanam is made of gold, then he is sitting comfortably, Sustitam. Virasane sustitam. So he is Yajamanaha, Sarva Chakravarti. So he is just sitting in a Virasanam. That means folding one leg and then hanging the other leg. Basically left leg hangs down while the right leg is in a folded position and his arms are resting on the lap. That is Virasane. So the way to listen also is being expressed here. Virasane sustitam. Then the next two lines are important. How is Rama listening to Param Tattvam? So even though you are highly educated, you got to be a lifelong learner. That is what Sri Ramachandra Murthy himself does. This Thiruvalluvar also beautifully expresses Yadanum nadamal uramal yennoruvan sattunayum kalladavaru. If you are going to be a learned person, the whole world is your oyster. Kattorku chendrai midamellam sirappu. Ano badra kratavo yantu visvataha aryam. Rigveda also says this. So be a learner, which Rama does it. So he wants to listen and learn patiently and from very learned people. Who is more learned than Maruti himself? So he is learning. That's what the next two lines are revealing. Agre vachayati. What does Prabhanjana Sutam Vayukumaran does? Tattvam vachayati. Okay, he is talking about Tattvam, Shastras, or virtues. Okay, how then it talks about Vishaya Lakshanam was given. Then Vaktu. Who is going to Vaktru Vailakshanyam? Who is talking or who is telling? Param Vyakyantam Munibhyaha. Who is revered even by Munis and learned people as a great exponent. Param Vyakyantam Prabhanjana Sute Tattvam Vachayati. So this sloka, why we are handling today, is the important sloka. It talks about Ramayanam in essence. Ramayana is basically a Shastra text. It talks about the avatar of Rama, and Rama is a people person. That's what this is. Munibhyaha param vyakyantam prabhanjana sute tattvam vachayati. If you do this kind of coordination, Anvayam, you get the meaning of this line. Then, while Hanuman, who is revered by all these Munis as a great learned person as well as great Vyakyata, Rama does not enjoy this Tattvam being recited by Hanuman on his own. He keeps Sita, he keeps his entire parivaram. That is what is important. Because Sangamaha Kudirindi Emperumanudia Gunathai Anubhavikka Vendum, according to Goda Pirati. That is what this Dallas-based Sri Vaishnava groups is doing. They are enjoying the Emperuman's Avatara Dhina Sambramam in so many different fashions. There are a lot of singing, there are a lot of natya, and then there is a lot of arts, drawing and arts and upanyasas and lectures and writings. Wow, what a great way to enjoy. That is what Sri Ramachandra Murthy wants. So he practices that. Bharadadibihi parivritam. He is surrounded. Parivritam, he is surrounded by his aptas. Bharadadibih parivritam. Ramam bhaje shyamalam. Why this sloka characterizes Rama as Shyamalam? Because he is a great Vallal. Ramam bhaje Shyamalam Ramam bhaje. So you have to pay your obeisance and you have to show and relay the eulogy to Rama because he is a constant learner. And he surrounds himself with good people. That is what Bhuvanam Engum. The entire world is doing today, and particularly Dallas Sri Vaishnavas group is doing as well. Enjoying constantly for a number of days the Anubhavam in multiple facets. So this sloka is very important. Vaidehi saritam sahitam suradhruma thalehe haime mahamandape. Vaidehi sahitam nitya anapayini sahitam madhye pushpakamasane manimaye वीरासने सुस्थितम् अग्रे वाचयति प्रभञ्जन सुते तत्त्वं मुनिभ्यः परं व्याख्यान्तं भरदादिभिः परिवृतं रामं भजे श्यामलम्. So let us rejoice this Avatara Dina by paying our respects to Shyamalam Ramam. Vaidehi Sahitam Shyamalam Ramam. Bharadadibhi Parivritam Vaidehi Sahitam Shyamalam Ramam. And how is the day today? Today is Mahanavami. Tatascha dvadashe mase chaitre navamekye tithau Kausalya janayadramam सर्वलक्षण संयुतं विष्णोः अर्धं महाभागं पुत्रं इक्ष्वाकुनंदनम. Important sloka one has to recite on this Mahanavami day. Tatascha dvadashe mase chaitre navamike tithau Kausalya जनयति रामं सर्वलक्षण संयुतं विष्णोः अर्धं महाभागं पुत्रं इक्ष्वाकुनंदनम लोहिताक्षं महाभागुं रक्तयूष्टं दुन्दुभिस्वनं कौसल्या जनयति रामं ततश्च द्वादशे मासे. This is very important. Why Sri Ramapiran rested in the great womb of Kausalya for 12 months? Because he wanted to have that sambandha as Manushya Sariram. Then only Devas who also don't have certain emotions like Manushya, Manida Piravila Rikramari, and the Bandhamanadu, Matru Vatsa Sambandham, and the Vatsalyamanadu, Manidargalakke Uritu. To show that kind of a divinely relationship between a mother and a kid, that Emperor rested 12 months in the womb of great lady Kausalya. Okay. The beauty is here is Vishnoho Ardham Mahabhagam. That is beauty. So this Sri Ramayana sloka gets revealed well if we listen and learn Thiruvaimozhi. That is the greatest strength of Sri Vaishnavam, is to treat Arya Veda, Samskrita Veda, evam Dravida Veda on same pedestal. Particularly on the Avatara Dinam, on the Avatara Nakshatra Sandarbhe, the sloka on Avataram written by Sri Valmiki can be better understood only with Tamil Veda. If you just literally translate this Vishnoho Ardham Mahabhagam, it's Rama came as a half portion of Vishnu. It's not the case. Because when Rama came down Avatarati, when he came down from that Upari Saketam, he left his Amsam there, at the same time he brought its Amsam here. So this is the exact meaning of Vishnoho Ardham Mahabhagam, which cannot be revealed without the help of Thiruvaimozhi. This is what Sri Ramanujar did in Acharya Hridayam. Adage Manavala Perumal Nayanar brings this. Bhashyakarar idukondu Sutiravakyangala orunga viduvar. Even to understand Sri Ramayana, certain nuances we need Alvar, particularly Nammalvar. So, why this is? This is the concept of Avataram. He comes here to protect us particularly Rama came on this day to give us dharma and to walk the dharma. Not only speak the dharma, to walk the dharma, to do so while he left his hamsam there. He did not split his hamsam. He still left it hamsam there in that Saketa, Upari Saketa, and then when he came to this Dhivi Saketa, Prithvi Saketa, he still kept that hamsam. So there is no diminishing of the hamsam. That should be made clear. That's a great understanding we get by reading Thiruvaimozhi. Sadhu sanattai naliyum kanjanai sadippadakku. It's not only reference to Kamsa, all the Rakshasas and all those who do sins like Ravana. So, sadhu sanattai naliyum kanjanai sadippadakku. Beautiful line, Alvar says. That is the Vivaranam for Ramayanam. Ramayanam itself is a Vivaranam for Veda. But Thiruvaimozhi is Vivaranam for Valmiki Ramayanam as well. So, we are blessed to have these great texts in Sanskrit and Tamil and in other bhakti texts in Marathi, Telugu and Kannada as well. But Sadhu Sanattai Naliyum Kanjanai Sadippadarku Adiyan Sodi Uruvai Angu Vaithu Ingu Piranda. The same thing. Vishnoho Ardham Mahabhagam Putram Ikshvakunandanam Adiyam Sodi Uruvai Angu Vaithu Ingu Piranda. So he kept his hamsam there. Without diminishing, he brought it with him. So how do you know? Alvar sings it. And the beauty is, the Tamil grammar specifies that if you say Angu, Ingu, there is a ummai. There is a there. Silenced. That is nothing but, it is a ummai togai. So let's not go into grammar. But this is acceptable to show that it is not diminished. Angu, Ingu becomes Angum, Ingum. If for those who are very interested in Tamil, this is basically Irandadu Thaluviya Yacha Ummai. That means in poem, to just satisfy the meter, you can skip this So Angum, Ingum becomes Angu, Ingu. So Emberuman came from his Vaikunta, leaving the Amsam there. But he did not pick quarter, he did not pick half, he did not pick 3/4. He kept it there because he is Mamayan. So he can do that. Only he can do that. Ariyan. Only he can do those kind of trick. So he kept his amsam there. So in that Dhivi, he is still Paramapurusha. And then he brought it here with him as well as sung by Alvar. Angu Vaithu Ingu Piranda Veda Mudalvanai Padi. And the next line qualifies. How can he do that? How can Ramachandra come from that Dhivi Saketam to this Prithvi Saketam? Because he is Veda Mudalvan. He is the one who established the doctrines. Veda Mudalvanai Padi. So this is Avatara of Sri Rama. Nowhere else you could find explanation to this. Vishnor Ardham Mahabhagam Putram Ikshvakunandanam Veda Mudalvanai Padi Adiyan Sodi Uruvai Angu Vaithu Ingu Piranda Angum Vaithu Ingum Piranda. That is the reason. Even though Swami said Atmanam Manusham Manye, how could he give the moksha Akshaya Padam to Jatayu? How could he give Akshaya Padam to Shabari? Because he is still Emberuman. But he doesn't want to portray it because he wanted to be like us as Sajatiyan. That is what he has told, that he wanted to be a much more mature Sajatiyan. Because Sajatiyas, like us, we only reside for 10 months in mother's womb. But this Mahapurusha resided for 12 months to show that I know your pain. I know the bandha and I know the pasa. I know all those problems with senses. Right? He was not like Shadagopan. He was not like Engalur Maran. To relinquish all these Shata, Vayu. He did not. So, this is the beautiful of Rama Avataram. He experienced what a fetus goes through, but he experienced furthermore than what we all do, so that he could get into the skin of people like us. At the same time, he is Mahapurusha. That is what is indicated in this Valmiki Ramayana sloka. Paramagopya Artham. Vishnoho Ardham Mahabhagam Putram Aikshvakunandanam. Then Alvar comes, okay, don't get confused, oh people. I'm going to explain to you, because Sadhu Sanattai Naliyum Kanjanai Sadipadarku. Just to protect us from evil people like Kamsa, from Ravana, Karadushana, and all those people, he just maintained his status in that loka, came with the same power, but he just danced the dance and acted to show that he is a Sajatiyan. Adiyan Sodi Uruvai Angu Vaithu Ingu Piranda. Why could he do that? Because he is Mahayogi. Mandodari cries that. So, Veda Mudalvanai Padi, we should sing. That's what we are doing as part of this Ramanavami celebration. We are just singing, which is clearly visible in all the activities that is being going on in Dallas Sri Vaishnava groups. People are singing, people are dancing, people are expressing their emotion in art form, in written scribing things about Chakravarti Tirumagan and his Vaibhavangal. That is what we do. Vidigal Dorum Tulladar, which we are doing virtually. That's it. Vidigal Dorum Tulladar. If we don't do this, we should not be called Manishas. We should not be called human. This Alvar says, I didn't say. Hariyan didn't say. Alvar says, Vodi unarndavar munna yen savipar manizare. This one particular Tiruvaimozhi Pasaram itself is Ramayana. Like we said about the Dhyana sloka, Agre vachayati prabhanjana sute tattvam munibhyah param vyakyantam Bharadadibihi parivritam Ramam Bhaje Syamalam. So, the Avatara itself says, the life lesson, you got to be a social bird. You got to be a social human being within certain constraints, within certain Rubicons which are prescribed in Dharma. That's what this Dhyana sloka says. Tattvam Param Vyakyantam Tattvam. Then you got to surround yourself with good people. And you got to be a constant learner, which Sri Ramachandra Murthy does it. Right? Which Valluvar also alludes beautifully. Yadanum Nadanam Uramal Yennoruvan Sattunayum Kalladavaru. You are going to see the whole world as your oyster. Why are you not studying? Try to learn. That's what we are doing as part of Sri Ramanavami celebration. Okay, so the Avatara itself is a life lesson. Because he wants to protect good and ward off the evil. And how could he do so? He could do so because he is Veda Mudalvan. Veda Mudalvan. So we need to pay our respect to that Veda Mudalvan who walked the walk. Veda Mudalvanai Padi. We should sing, we should dance, we should express our bhakti in different emotions. That's what we are doing. Okay. Then, on this day, let's start with a great life lesson Pirati says. Pirati gets separated from Peruman 3 times. One for 10 months because of the evil Ravana. And then Perumal and Pirati get separated in the Vana and she resides in Valmiki hermitage. Then subsequently she reaches her divine abode. That is Sri Ramayanam, separation. Then in this deep stress, Pirati gives a great valuable life lesson. When all these Ravana Vada and everything has taken place, and then Siriya Tiruvadi, Hanuman comes to Pirati and describes the results, elaborates the results, and then things are going to be better from now on. But you know, Hanuman, because of the bhakti. He wants to destroy all the leftover Rakshasis. But then Pirati gives a beautiful example. Pirati gives a beautiful axiom and then explains, hey Hanuman, don't you know the story? Can you believe this? That Mahalakshmi, having gone through this much stress, is trying to explain to you, one of the greatest learned soul in the whole universe, Hanuman, in a simple form, just because of us. It is not that Hanuman, that's what we took that first introductory, invocatory song. He is who? Even Munis respect and revere Hanuman. Munibhyaha param vyakyantam prabhanjana sutam. It's not that Hanuman did not know or Pirati wanted to preach to Hanuman. It is only she is using this scenario, she is using this play, and she is using this theater to act just for us. So on the day of the avatara of Sri Ramachandran, it will make him much more happy if we talk and sing the praise of Pirati. Agalagille nirayum yenne alarmel mangayurai marban. So we are going to see how this Pirati, because he is Matha, because of the Vatsalyam she has for us, generations and generations for us, she is telling this as a nice story. She is talking about a story between a thing that happened between three people. One bear, a tiger and a hunter, Vyadaha. Beautiful. This is what Ramayana is, a treasure trove. Ayam Vyaghra Samipe tu Purano Dharma Samhitaha Rikshena Gita Shloko Metam Nibodha Plavangama. These pearls, these slokas get lost in Navahams. But if you learn Ramayana as a life lesson text, you got to study such slokas. So many pearls like that. See, Pirati gives a story. She says, I'm going to talk to you about an age-old axiom. Ayam Vyaghra Samipe tu Puranaha. She says it has been in existence for long. Purana Shlokaha. Dharma Samhitaha, full of righteousness. This story has lot of virtue. Purana Dharma Samhitaha Rikshena Gitaha. Listen to what bear says. That bear was in presence of Vyaghra and a Vyadha. Vyaghra, tiger. So she gives this and then she says, even in terms of distress, do what the bear did. It did not slip away from its commitment to protect the hunter. And then there are explanatory texts to this sloka. We'll just quickly pass through that. So she tells, look, Hanuman, she didn't care about getting reunited with Raman, but of course she is. But she still takes time. That is also a life lesson. She still takes time to explain a concept, a complicated concept rather, to be of service to others, to just ignore those who did evil to you, but at the same time care for them. So the context here is Hanuman tells to Devi that I'm going to destroy all these people. But then the famous phrase comes, Nakachid naparaditaha. That is the next one. But prior to that is this beautiful story, which gets lost. My father used to talk about this particular sloka a lot. So that's why I'm taking time to explain the context here. Hayam Vyaghra Samipe tu Puranaha Dharma Samhitaha Rikshena Gita Slokaha Metam Nibodha Plavangama. Oh, hear me, Nibodha Plavangama. She is not letting him go. She is pulling him and then giving this story. So there was a hunter. And a tiger was chasing a hunter in a forest. Then this hunter climbs a tree, because we know that tiger doesn't climb the tree those days. So then by the time the hunter climbs the tree, there was already a bear sleeping in the tree. So the tiger wants to make a deal with the bear. So the hunter was caught in the middle between a bear who is sitting on the top of the tree on a branch. Then on the bottom of the tree, the tiger was just trying to get this hunter. The hunter just is clinging in the middle. Then this, do not ask me whether the tiger and bear can speak or understand. This is just an axiom, but it has a great tattva, which is recited by Sri Mahalakshmi, written by Valmiki. Okay. Then this tiger tries to cut a deal with the bear. But then bear has already promised. This is what Sri Ramayana is. Because Dasaratha has promised to Kaikeyi, he accepts the vows he had given. Because the father has ordered his son to obey, Ramachandra has obeyed. And Pirati is so attached, great Pativratyam to Piraman, she takes these sufferings as karma. And then Vibhishana respects Dharma, so he quits his Vamsa, Paulasya Vamsam, and then runs. That is the virtue. This one sloka told by Pirati tells it. What a better way to rejoice in this sloka on this Mahapunya Dina, when people are having Upavasa. Right. So then this bear has already given promise to this hunter that bear will protect the hunter. So it refuses to the tiger. Then this, you see, the human mind. This human mind is such that this hunter then realizes that there is no harm for him from the bear, so he tries to push the bear down. Look at this. Human people are so mean and cheap, right? So then the bear just starts clinging in another branch, but somehow, luckily, with Emberuman's Kataksham, the bear tries to cling onto the branch. Now the tiger goes back and makes a forceful deal with the bear, saying, look, you are trying to protect this mean human hunter. He tried to push you down. Instead of he being thankful to you, he is trying to harm you. Why don't we again make a deal and now you push him? No. But that bear said, no, I live by my virtue. He came to me as a surrenderer. I have promised him to protect him. This is what Sri Ramachandra has done. This is what Pirati has done. That's what it is. When it comes to the bhava, when it comes to that vatsalyam of that Pirati, this sloka helps. So the bear then says, I will not. At any case, even if the hunter pushes me again, I'm not going to let him down. Then Pirati talks about two sloka. What are the virtues? Beautiful, isn't it? This is Ramayana. Such pearls get lost if you just go and do a quick upanyasa or something like that. Ayam vyaghra samipe tu purano dharma samhita rikshena gita sloko metam nibodha plavangama. Then nibodha plavangama shrunu. Hey plavangama shrunu. Na paraf papamadatte para paresham papa karmanam samayo rakshita savyastu santas charitra bhushanaha santaha. They don't care. Even if somebody did evil to me, good people with good character. That's what Pirati stresses, the importance of virtue. Na paraf papamadatte paresham papa karmanaha samayaha rakshitavyastu santaha charitra bhushanaha. Samayaha, there is a goal, there is a doctrine, there is a unwritten maybe, there is a doctrine. Our goal for Punya people is na datte, they will not do any papam. Papam na datte paresham papa karmanam. This is the character of Papa. They won't do any Papa. This is the character of Punyatma. They will never do any Papa. Then she says, look, why they don't do? Why are you hung up on destroying these people? Can you name anyone? Of course, Chakravarti Tirumagan is exception. Can you name anyone in the world who has never committed a sin? What a beautiful way to put this in perspective. Pirati says, I have sinned, you have sinned, everybody have sinned. She has sinned in a way because she distrusted and questioned Ilaya Perumal. Right? So, papanam va shubhanam va vadarhanam plavangama. Even in good deeds, bad deeds, those are all, even for people who have to be killed as a punishment. Papanam va shubhanam va vadarhanam plavangama. Karyam karunyam aryena karunyam. Be compassionate. So, when we started, what did we say? Be a social person. Bharadadibihi parivritam. And be a lifelong learner. Now, Pirati says, show your karuna. Be firm on the virtue. If you say something, that is as good as you have written and signed on a bond paper. Right? That is the sloka which the Pirati says, giving the example of the conversation between a bear and an hunter and the Vyagra, the tiger. So, life lessons. Look, stand on the virtue. Keep committed to your word. Veda says this, Shraddham Bhagasya Murdani. Everything, whatever each syllable in Veda is explained and elaborated in Ramayana, and those are further elaborated in Arulichayal. Because he is Mayan. Alvar again says this, Manisarum matrum mutrumai maya piravi piranda. That is what it is. So he is an Adi and Sodi Uru. But he came here because to show that he is a Mayan. It is not like Advaita Maya. It is his Vilayat, transcendental activities. Manisarum matrum mutrumai maya piravi piranda. Taniyan pirappu ilidannai. Swa ichchaya ajayat. He is just doing it as his own ichcha. There is no karma. Beautiful. This Tiruvaimozhi Padigam itself, one could enjoy for hours and hours and hours. So, life lessons. In each sloka, there is a life lesson. Then she says, Papanam va shubhanam va vadarhanam plavangama karyam karunyam aryena sreshtena. That means good people. People with, then who are these Arya? Valmiki has already explained that in an earlier sloka. Santaha charitra bhushana. Good character. They adorn good character. That is their ornament. Karyam karunyam aryena na kaschit na aparadhyati. Beautiful. Na kaschit na aparadhyati. Have you seen anybody? Na kachit. Have you seen anybody? Kachit. Have you seen anybody who is not doing any sin? Little bitty sin. No. So, look, the best thing in people. This is what it is. She tells to Hanuman, look, the best thing. These Rakshasis were only obedient to their masters. That itself is a good character, right? To be obedient. Of course, you should be obedient to good people. That's a different issue. So, this is what it is. But then, even in these groups, there are pearls. Kuppailum Manikamnu solramo in a Tamil adage. So there are like this, which just few episodes before Vibhishana does that. He says, Ravana, Hey Tata, Api upayai sat tribihi tata yo artha praptum na shakyate. Try tribihi. If you want to get something, try the first three acts. Shama, Dana, Beda. Try that. Only if these three acts is tribihi, all these three act, if you are not able to get artha na praptum. So it's not that artha means money, it is the goal. If you are not able to obtain the goal with this Shama, Dana, Beda, then you go for danda. That's what he says. He counsels his brother. Then he says, Tyajasva kopam sukha dharma nashanam. If you don't let your kopa go, it is going to destroy the dharma. It is going to destroy your happiness and peace of mind. Then he says, Bhajasva dharmam ratikirti vardhanam. If you don't follow dharma, it is going to give you this problem. And it is revealed in the emotions such as kopa. That's what we do kamo karshitman japa. I am going to control my kama and kopa. Right? That is the Srauta yajna, Srauta prakriya. Okay. So, Tyajasva kopam sukha dharmanashanam. If you are not controlling your kopa, hey Ravana, it is going to destroy your happiness, your peace of mind, and dharma will be lost. But if you just protect dharma, bhajasva dharmam ratikirti vardhanam, it will make you more effulgence. That means you will become more happy, inner happiness. Ratikirti vardhanam prasida jivema swaputra bandhavaha. So what it is? So his own bhakta, Ramachandra Murthi's Pirati gives a beautiful story between a bear and a hunter and a tiger and put forth the importance of righteousness. That's what this Ramayana Grantha is called. Piratiyin Yetram Sonnadu. And Bhagavatanudaiya Yetram Thin Solrathu. Pailum Sudarali Nedumarkadimai Kansora Vengurudi Nannada Valavunar Thetarum Thiral Meli Pattukalil Kaanalam. Bhagavata Yetram, which is reflected in the activities of Vibhishana. Sarvaloka Sharanyaya Raghavaya Mahatmane Nivedaya Tamam Kshipram Vibhishana Upastitam. So he reveals and he shows that he is a man of virtue. He will go by righteousness and dharma. So on this auspicious day, we wanted to show how three characters, supreme characters, of course, Emperuman, Pirati and Vibhishana. So we have so far seen how Pirati expresses righteousness. Beautiful conversation, because that's what it is. So we started telling this Grantha is conversation. So the conversation is between Pirati and Plavangama. Plavangama Shrestha. And then the conversation between a Uttama Bhagavata and the adharmic person. Right? And then the third one is the conversation between Emperuman and his bhaktas. Gugha, right? With the bhaktas like Gugha, Vibhishana, and all. So this beautifully, Azhagya Manavala Perumal Nayanar captures this righteousness of Emperuman and how he is shining. Kir Magan Talai Maganak Samasakavai. Kir Magan Talai Maganak Samasakavai. The act between Gugha Perumal and Chakravarti Thirumagan. Thalai Magan is Chakravarti Thirumagan. So, Yezhai Yedalan Kir Magan Yennadi Irangi Matravarku Innarul Surandu Mazhai Man Madanoki Untoji Umbi Embi Enne Odindilai Ugandu Thoran Ni Yanakku Ingu Ori Yenna Sokkal Vandu. What a beautiful Kaliyan's poem. ஏழை ஏதலன் கீழ் மகன் என்னாது இறங்கி மற்றவர்க்கு இன்னருள் சுரந்து மாழை மான் மடநோக்கி உன் தோழி. The lady with beautiful eyes like a Dian, Mrigadrishni. மாழை மான் மடநோக்கி உன் தோழி. She is your friend. Hey Gugha. What a generosity. What a parandhanok, benevolence of heart. Umbi embi enne orindilai. My brothers are not my brothers alone. They are your brothers. Ugande thoran ni yanakku ingu ori enna sork. You are my suhrute. Beautiful. Ugande thoran ni yanakku ingori. You are becoming with certainty. Beautiful. Endra sorkal vandu adiyen manathirindida. Only you can do. Hey Kanna, Ivanna. I need to surrender to that person who has this kind of heart. Kaliyan says Sharanagati. So, we would want to finish this lecture by showing the epitomizing this character of Emperuman, which is captured in this Pankti by Azhagya Manavala Perumal Nayanar. Beautiful. Kir Magan Talai Maganukku Samasakavai. The reference to that is in Kaliyan's Pasuram, which we have already alluded to. Kir Magan Talai Maganukku Samasakavai Thambikku Mun Pirandu Velum Villum Kondu. Beautiful. He even Gugha was so madly in affection, brotherly affection to Chakravarti Thirumagan, he even suspected Ilaya Perumal. Well, this Ilaya Perumal is walking with his red eyes. Maybe he will do harm like what Bharadan is doing. which Guga did not know, that Bharata is such a supreme brother. That's what beautifully Azhagay Manavale Perumal Nayanar captures this. Kil magan thalai maganukku samasakavai thambikku mun pirandu velum villum kondu pin pirandaarai sodittu தமையனுக்கு இளையோன் சத்பாவம் சொல்லும்படி ஏக குலமானவையும். In this Pankti, the Azhagay Manavale Perumal captures the Hridayam of Chakravarti Thirumagan, that broadness in thinking and embracing attribute of Chakravarti Thirumagan by bringing in him, the Chakravarti Thirumagan, Guhaperuman, Bharatan. Then he just tells about the nature of Lakshmana to Bharata when he sees Bharata. So when Bharata inquires about Chakravarti Thirumagan and his brother, younger brother, Lakshmana is younger brother. So he says, you know that Sendral Kudayam Irindal Singhasanamam Aham Sarvam Karishyami. Like that, this guy is subservient to your elder brother, that Loka Chakravarti. I even suspected him because he was trying to be awake the entire night, walking here and there with his sword and with his bow and arrow to protect. While doing so, he had sleepless nights, so his eyes were red. I suspected him. He tells this Swabhava of Lakshmana to his elder brother Bharatan. And then this Pankti brings all these brothers together. Kil magan thalai maganukku samasakavai thambikku mun pirandu velum villum kondu pirandanai sodittu tamayanukku ilayon. Tamayan here is Bharatan. Ilayon here is Lakshmanan. So this Guha, who is younger brother to Rama, and Bharata is younger brother to Guga. That is beautiful, isn't it? Look at Raman's heart. See, he puts Guga to be next to him, but above Bharatan. Then younger to Bharata is Lakshmana. So he brings this Sadbhavam. Ilayon Sadbhavam sollumbadi eka kulamanamayum. To tell that it is only bhakti. You don't have to discriminate people. You got to see the good in the people. What a sage wisdom. So we have today, with the Kripa of Emperuman, learned certain unique aspects of Sri Ramayana to reflect what Pirati thinks about people. Be kind, be affectionate. What Vibhishana thinks about, be virtuous, stand on dharma. And more importantly, Vasudha eva kutumbakam iva swabhavam. Just treat people, be humane. So these are pearls of wisdom and life lesson we enjoyed from Sri Valmiki Ramayanam. Evam Alvar Sarulichayal. Today we handled Engalur Maran's Thiruvaimozhi, Kaliyan's Periya Tirumozhi, of course, Azhagay Manavale Perumal Nayanar's Acharya Hridayam. What a way to enjoy and rejoice the Bhagavad Guna of Chakravarti Thirumagan. Mangalam Kosalendraya Maganiya Gunabdaye Chakravarti Tanujaya Sarvabhaumaya Mangalam Sri Mate Ramyaja Matru Munindraya Mahatmane Sri Rangavasine Bhuyate Nitya Sri Nitya Mangalam Alvar Emperumanar Jiyar Tiruvadigalе Saranam Samasta Sanmangalani Santu Shubham Dasan.